So now we're going to go into the fear melters, and I'd like to go from the fear signature itself, sound-wise. And for instance, if we take the fight one, you each express your fight ones the way you want, but you really go into the that feels so good. So you can go first in that signature and just enjoy producing the vast, and maybe invent a language. So that's it. So go into that fight voice, and then we'll go into the oozing one. But first enjoy. You know, the moments we can just go into the fight. Be careful with your voices. Be careful with your vocal cords at home. But now we're going to go into the oozing, which for me, I must say, I'm so moved by having Katie doing that with me right now. I mean, it's all our work. I remember you and I sounding them together when you just created them. So now we are oohs, and really go up and down with your sound. Ooh, and those shoulders, and you are oozing, really with a ooh sound that goes up and down. Wonderful. And now we're going to move into the freeze one. So we all have our own signatures of freezing. Mine would go like so sort of maybe also a little of flea there, but it's really about everything goes ooh. I really enjoy doing the sounds of them, but you know, just my experience from the fear melters, because I've opened now a class called Même pas peur, where we really play with them. It's about going from the fear, putting it sound, and then transitioning to the movement and the sound of the melter. And that is, you know, because I must say that personally, when I'm in fear, I don't go easily to the melter. I first have to transition with the sound. So you guys now discover how you freeze vocally, but I mean with sound. Go, 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 go. And now we're going to go into the wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Don't forget the tongue. Really use all the wiggle and the tongue and the joints. Just go and make them all play and sing. And now we're going to go into the flea. It's really there's a sound for me that goes like, but you have to find your own, right? It's very important that your signature, your sound signature, the same way that you worked on the body, it's really and also it's, for me, it's more breathy. If I would listen to the sound, there's something very breathy. And breathing and then sometimes it may go, you know, so there's a lot of breath. And there comes the sumo. Da, 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 da. I love this one. Now the sumo vocally has a different quality than the anger, but because I can feel it like a shakandam balando, it really comes from here. I could be sometimes resonating like my fear expression of fight, but if you really get used to it, you will see that sound-wise, it's a bit different. Okay, also the fluidity in your body. So now go into your sumo and just, so the sumo is like 1 and 2 and ground, for those who don't know the movement, but you can see all that in the site of the website of the foundation. Now go to the sumo. And really enjoy breathing out. Really enjoy the breathing out, because the sound is just the expression of your breath. And now comes the feint. Hein? Quoi? Qu'est-ce que tu dis? Hein? Quoi? Pardon? Là, je trouve... Je suis là. Maybe you have a language that comes out. For me, often it will go into French. Hein? Quoi? Quoi? Hein? Hein? In French, it sounds really good. You should try it. Huh? And now enjoy giving yourself. Really give yourself that love scope, the coming back, the hugging, the just, and really enjoy the vibration of the sound. Maybe there is a melody that you're just going to be. Just enjoy giving that to yourself. And maybe you can just give it to each other. Just give it. Even if we don't hear the sound, the vibration will go beyond. It's like, oh, on a vowel. Ah. And if you yawn, it means you're just getting more and more relaxed. That's beautiful. Just keep on yawning. Just let it relax. Just relax and yawn. And ooh. There we go. Wonderful. Thank you.